In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a source graphic as a new layer in Acrobat Pro Web using Chrome. To get started, open your asset in Acrobat Pro Web through the Chrome browser. Make sure the file is fully loaded before moving on, so the interface responds smoothly and all editing tools are available. If you're working with a complex document, giving it a few extra seconds to finish loading can help avoid delays when opening panels or menus. Once your asset is open, look for the Layers Configuration panel and select it. This panel is where you can view and manage the different visual elements in your document as separate, stacked components. Working with layers is especially helpful when you want to add graphics without permanently merging them into the rest of the file, because it gives you more control over visibility and placement later. After the Layers panel is open, find the Options Flyout contextual menu, listing icon, and click it. This menu contains additional layer-related actions that aren't always visible in the main panel view. If you don't immediately spot it, take a moment to look near the top area of the panel, where menu icons are typically grouped. From the list of available options, choose Import as Layer. This tells Acrobat Pro Web that instead of inserting the graphic as a flattened part of the page, you want it brought in as its own separate layer. That distinction matters, because keeping imported content on an independent layer makes it easier to organize, hide, review, or adjust later without affecting the rest of the document. Next, select your source graphic. This is the file you want to bring into the document and secure into a standalone canvas plane. In other words, the graphic will be placed as its own isolated layer, which is useful for preserving flexibility in your layout and keeping imported artwork separate from your original content. Once you've selected the graphic, Acrobat Pro Web will begin the import process. After it appears in the document, it should now exist as an individual layer in the Layers panel. At that point, you can confirm that the import worked by checking that the new layer is visible in the list and separate from the existing elements. That's all it takes to import a graphic as a layer in Acrobat Pro Web through Chrome. If you're organizing a document with multiple visual assets, this method helps keep everything clean, editable, and easier to manage.